Hi, everybody. It's Adam.
And Petri.
And we're here today because we want to talk to you about what you do when you feel happy.
Because that's how I woke up. I woke up happy this morning.
You definitely did. And so, what did you say to me?
What do I do when I'm happy?
And so, we're going to answer that question, hopefully, for you and give you at least 4 things that you can do when you feel happy. So, first of all, when you feel happy, you can greet someone in a way that is cheerful. So, you can wave or say, "Hi, good morning, how are you?"
All right. How are you? How are you? How are you?
That's perfect. That's a great way to say that. And that is very cheerful.
Well, I'm just a cheerful bird.
It's very fun. Another thing you can do is ask someone to join you in an activity. So that could be reading a book, or playing Legos, or watching a show together, or getting a snack. Having somebody with you is a way you can share happiness.
Yeah. I also like to sing.
Well, that's really good. I like to sing too. And
Kind of dance.
sing or dance. You got to the 4 really quick things right there. So what do you like to sing?
Well, when I'm happy, I say, "Oh, I'm happy. Clap along with me now, like a room without a roof. Woo! Clap around with me now, if happiness is the truth.
Uh-huh.
Clap along with me now. That's what I want to do."
I'm gonna clap with you, buddy, 'cause happiness is for you.
Oh, I like that.
All right. You can also dance. You can get your body moving, and when you hear a tune, you can just dance. And it really feels fun, really feels dynamite.
Oh, 'cause I feel dynamite. Whoa, whoa.
Na 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 na, like it's dynamite.
Na 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 na, like it's Peter Mite.
We'll light it up like dynamite. Whoa, whoa. Good job. I think you help people understand some things that they can do. They can be cheerful in how they greet people. They can ask them to join them. You can sing and you can dance. Those are great ways to show when you're feeling happy.
Yep, and I'm happy. And I'm happy to see you.
I'm happy to see the kids too. Have a wonderful day and be happy.